Today's Monday. No, I know it's Wednesday, so today's the 23rd. And no idea what to do today. So I think I'll just end up drawing a random character and vlogging that. Yeah. Okay, so I just figured out a problem with my tablet. What I was doing, if I held it down, like that, it would bring up the brush bar. It was hold to right click. I hate that. Like, I can do that with this button. I don't need that. It should never be a thing. Nobody likes it. No one. Okay, to get rid of it, I figured it out. Check this out. Okay, so my tablet is this. So I click that, and it says edit driver. What I did to get rid of it is I removed this shit. Oh, just turn it off. Somewhere in your tablet driver, it says supports digital ink. Turn it off. It might be. Never mind. It also disables pen pressure.
Sound waves reaching the microphone are changed into impulses of electric current.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
Sound waves reaching the microphone are changed into impulses of electric current.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
Sound waves reaching the microphone are changed into impulses of electric current.
No need to worry worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
You know what? Actually, I've gotten a lot of footage today, and I can use a break, and then I need to, we'll finish this off tomorrow, but I need to get to editing, and then I need to get to painting something else. So,